Hello children, in this video we're going to learn how to read and spell common exception words for year 1. We're going to look at 4 words in particular. So let's look at the reading of them first. Here's the first word. Full. Pull. Come. Some. Now, have you spotted something interesting about these words? If we look at full and pull, do you notice something about them? Yes, it's just the first letter or the first sound that are different. They both end in ul. So that makes it a little bit easier. If you can read one, you can read the other one. And how about the other 2 words? Come and some. Yes, it's similar, isn't it? Like full and pull, they both end in the same sound. It's just the first sound that changes. So if you know come, you know some. Okay, so ask your grown-up to make you some flashcards, and you could play some games around the house. You could maybe ask them to hide the cards, and you can do a treasure hunt and go and find them and then read the words. Or you could make a bingo game, so you'll need 2 sets of the words. Or even the pairs game, where you turn them over and you have to find the matching pairs. Then once you know how to read the words, let's have a look at the spellings of them. On the flashcards that you've got, you could maybe use a different coloured pen to underline the tricky bits. So full is how it sounds, but you've got to remember it's the double L, not just one L. Otherwise it's quite easy, it's just how it sounds. F-o-l. And the same with pull. You've just got to remember when you're spelling it that it's the double L. P-o-l, pull. Now let's look at what's tricky about some. Well, I would say it's the O, because it sounds more like an O. So you've got to remember it's the O or the O making that sound. And also you don't expect the E at the end. Some with an O in the middle and an E at the end. And the same for come. You've got to remember it's the letter O and the E at the end. So they're the tricky bits to remember. Okay? Right, so have a go now at hiding the cards and see if you can spell them now from memory. So I'm going to have a go on my whiteboard. So first of all, pull. P. O. Oh. And I've remembered that it's the double L. P-o-l, pull. Now full. F-o-l. Is that right? No, it needs the other L, the double L. Well remembered. Now come. K. O. Oh, hang on. There was something tricky, wasn't there? It's the O, and then there was the E at the end. Luckily I remembered. And then some. S, O. Some. Oh, hang on, nearly forgot the E on the end. Okay, did you get them all right? Well done. As an extra challenge, you could maybe now have a go at writing a sentence with some of these words. I'll do it for one of them. I'll do it for pull. I'm going to write the sentence, I, capital I, can pull. Oh, remembering the double L. Oh, and full stop at the end because it's a sentence. Okay, now it's your turn.